Faiss versus Pinecone. So Faiss is Facebook AI similarity search, is an open source library optimized for ultra-fast, large-scale similarity search and clustering of vector embeddings. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers blazing fast performance. It is also highly scalable. There are flexible indexing options, and it is open source with no licensing costs. The cons are though, it has a complex setup required, which means it demands expertise in infrastructure, index tuning, and scaling. It is also not a full database, so there's no built-in support for metadata filtering. And there are some DIY operations, which means you're responsible for deployment, monitoring, backups, and runtime ops. Now, Pinecone, on the other hand, is a fully managed cloud-native vector database service that handles vector search, metadata, filtering, and indexing, and even real-time scaling for you. So let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it is managed by the cloud service. There's no infrastructure to manage. There are also some metadata and real-time index support, which easily filters queries and update indices without downtime. There are also some predictable pricing and support, and they offer developer-friendly APIs, like for Python, GS, integrating well with the tools like LangChain. Although the cons are though, it has higher latency compared to files, and there are some recurring costs, which may be more expensive as the time you get on using it, and it is less customizable compared to files. So overall, choose files if you need maximum performance, low latency search at scale, and have the engineering expertise to manage infrastructure. And choose Pinecone if you want a turnkey solution with metadata, support, real-time updates, and seamless scaling.